Discover the perfect blend of style, hygiene, and convenience with our top 5 best touchless kitchen faucets. These smart faucets bring modern technology to your fingertips, offering hands-free control, powerful spray options, and sleek designs to elevate any kitchen. Say goodbye to mess and hello to effortless functionality. Number 1. Delta Touch 2.0 Touchless Kitchen Faucet. The Delta Touch 2.0 Touchless Kitchen Faucet is a game-changer in kitchen convenience, combining modern technology with sleek design. With multiple modes, you can choose between Touch 2.0 with touchless or Touch 2.0 only, tailoring operation to your lifestyle. Whether you're mid-cooking or elbow-deep in dough, messy hands are no problem. Just wave within 4 inches of the faucet to activate it touch-free, keeping your faucet and countertop cleaner. This smart faucet includes a 4-minute automatic shutoff, conserving water and giving you peace of mind. The TempSense LED light is a thoughtful touch, changing from blue to magenta to red, visually indicating water temperature to help prevent burns or surprises. Installation is a breeze with DIY-friendly setup and Delta Faucet's YouTube tutorials, so you can get up and running without calling a pro. Powered by 6 AA batteries, included for about a year, or 6C batteries, not included, for up to 3 years, it's as practical as it is innovative. Perfect for busy kitchens and families, the Delta Touch 2.0 faucet blends hygiene, efficiency, and elegance. It's more than a faucet, it's a helping hand when you need it most. Number 2. Moen Touchless Kitchen Faucet. The Moen Touchless Kitchen Faucet brings both elegance and efficiency to your kitchen with its smart, hands-free design. Simply wave your hand near the sensor to activate the water flow, no need to touch the faucet with messy hands. For added convenience and eco-friendliness, the faucet automatically shuts off after 3 minutes of inactivity to prevent water waste. With 3 versatile spout modes, stream for filling pots, spray for rinsing, and pause to reduce splashing, this faucet adapts to every kitchen task. Its 24-inch pull-out hose and 360 degrees high arc swivel spout make it effortless to reach all corners of your sink, whether you're washing large dishes or prepping ingredients. Crafted from premium SUS 3.0 for stainless steel, this faucet is food-safe, durable, and resistant to rust and corrosion. Its brushed nickel finish not only looks modern but also repels dirt, making daily cleaning as simple as a quick wipe with a cloth. Installation is fast and frustration-free thanks to pre-installed hoses, no plumber required. In under 30 minutes, you'll have a beautiful new faucet that fits most sinks. Whether for your kitchen, bar, laundry, or RV, the sleek 15.7-inch design makes the Moen Touchless Faucet a smart, stylish upgrade. Number 3. Aroa Touchless Kitchen Faucet. The Aroa Touchless Kitchen Faucet is a perfect fusion of smart technology and sleek functionality, making everyday kitchen tasks easier and more hygienic. Featuring an advanced motion sensor, it activates with a simple hand wave, turning water on or off in just 0.5 seconds. Strategically placed on the side, the sensor prevents accidental activations, while the auto shutoff after 2.5 minutes conserves water and energy. Equipped with a multifunctional 3-mode sprayer, this matte black faucet offers stream, spray, and pause functions to tackle every cleaning task efficiently, whether you're filling pots, rinsing dishes, or avoiding splashes. The pull-out hose and 360-degree swivel spout provide an extensive cleaning range, making it easy to reach all areas of the sink. A gravity ball system ensures the sprayer retracts smoothly and securely. Built with premium food-grade materials, metal connectors, and long-lasting ceramic valves, the Aroa faucet promises reliability for up to 10 years without leaks. Its spot and corrosion-resistant finish keeps it looking brand new with minimal maintenance. Designed for easy DIY setup, this faucet fits single or 3-hole sinks, with all parts included for a hassle-free 10-minute installation. The Aroa faucet blends durability, style, and modern convenience beautifully. Number 4. Moen Spot Resist Touchless Kitchen Faucet. The Moen Spot Resist Touchless Kitchen Faucet brings hands-free convenience and premium performance to your kitchen. With motion-activated technology, you can turn water on or off with a simple wave of your hand, ideal for when your hands are full or messy. Designed for easy setup, Moen's Duralock Quick Connect system makes installation fast and tool-free. Its spot-resist stainless finish keeps your faucet looking pristine, repelling fingerprints and water spots for a consistently clean appearance. Whether you're tackling tough messes or just need a rinse, Moen's Power Clean Spray technology delivers 50% more spray power compared to most faucets without it, making cleanup quicker and more efficient. This faucet also includes 6 AA batteries, so you don't need an outlet for installation, though optional AC power is available. The integrated reflex system ensures smooth movement, easy maneuvering, and secure docking of the spray head for seamless everyday use. Crafted with durability in mind, the Moen faucet offers a 5-year warranty on digital components and a limited lifetime warranty on trim. Blending style, technology, and reliability, the Moen Spot Resist Touchless Faucet is a must-have upgrade for any modern kitchen. Number 5. Charming Water Touchless Kitchen Faucet. Upgrade your kitchen with the Charming Water Touchless Kitchen Faucet, a sleek, smart solution designed for modern convenience and hygiene. With touchless auto technology, you can activate the water flow with a simple wave of your hand, no need to touch the faucet with messy fingers. It also features an automatic shut-off after 3 minutes of inactivity, helping you save water and maintain peace of mind. This faucet truly shines with its multifunctional 5-mode sprayer, offering a range of settings from a gentle stream to a powerful sweep, perfect for everything from rinsing delicate produce to blasting away stuck-on food. The pull-down design, long hose, and 360-degree swivel provide total flexibility for tackling any kitchen task. Built from high-quality stainless steel and brass, the Charming Water faucet not only looks elegant but stands up to daily use with style. It's battery-powered, for AA batteries, not included, offering 6 to 8 months of operation without the need for wiring. Installation is simple with all tools, a 10-inch deck plate, and a detailed manual and video guide included. Backed by a 2-year warranty and lifetime technical support, the Charming Water faucet delivers outstanding value, performance, and customer care in one smart package.